What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect POVs. This is how I shoot all mine, but also first I got to fix one thing. So as you can see, like this is my setup. This is what I use. It's just it's like a backpack clip or something. And then it attaches onto a hat like this, and you put the GoPro on like this. Yeah, this is how I drive around. Like this is legit how I drive around. And as you can see, there's one very big problem. This thing is in my face. So today I'm gonna be going to Ace Hardware, and we're gonna try to find like a replacement for this. Basically, it's gonna be like a screw, but it's gonna be a shorter screw. That way I can see out of my right eye. Cause right now when I drive, I literally just drive with like my left eye. You can see like I only have one eye exposed. That's all I can see out of. Which is why I don't do too many night drives, especially on the mountain. Because if I can't see when it's dark on a mountain in my car, bad things happen. They haven't happened yet, but they will happen if I drive like that, and I'll probably die. So that's why I don't do too many night drives on the mountain. Alright guys, it's like 85 degrees outside. I have no AC in my car. I'm probably gonna die. I also changed my shirt to being all black. I once again, don't ask why. But I'm currently stuck in my house because, you know, I'm gonna take my RX7 to go get the hardware for my thing, but you know, like what am I supposed to do? Like I can't leave my house. If I leave my house, he's gonna pull me over and I'm gonna get a ticket. So I don't know what to do now. Man, I'm just like stuck here. My wheel's looking dusty too. Shit. Bro, why is he... Bro, what am I supposed to do? Guys, just took off the screw from my GoPro hat, my GoPro setup, and yeah, right now I'm about to go find an equivalent thread and size to replace this so I can actually see out of my right eye when I'm driving the POV view. Alright guys, I got the screw. It's a M5.8 pitch thread, whatever screw. So if you guys ever want to film POVs and replace this stupid thing that gets in the way and you can't see, all you have to do is buy this from a hardware store. It's like 50 cents. And yeah, I'm gonna put it in right now because I can't do it because I'm holding my camera. Well, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you kind of can't see. But yeah, I can actually see now. My vision is like, that bolt like really took up a lot of space. I could see a lot better now with this bolt. So this is how you guys get the perfect POVs if you want to start filming your own. The reason I'm wearing a mask is because when it gets hot, like it's 85 degrees outside, I kind of sweat, and then that like triggers the touchscreen on the GoPro with my nose and stuff, because I kind of have a big nose. But you know, that's why I wear a mask when I film stuff, and also it kind of muffles the audio, so it's not like, it doesn't like distort the audio when I talk and stuff through the mic, because the mic's really close to my mouth. Always know you gotta fill up before doing some pulls. So about to hit the 91. I think I put 30 bucks in here, so see how much gas that gets me. But yeah, this isn't bad for $4.16 for 91. I mean, it's okay. Where am I? I'm at mobile. Oh, I'm at mobile. It's like it's probably shit gasoline, but whatever, you know. Nice. Oh no, I need to make a left here, bro. Oh, guess that's not happening. F. But I can finally, I'm excited. This is the first time I'm doing like a hard pull, or that I'll be doing a hard pull in a long time. Like literally all of winter I couldn't do hard pulls, man. I haven't been able to go wide open throttle in a while. All right, Honda Fit. You better get taken to Applebee's, bud. Those 7 gallons only got me to half a tank. It's kind of sad. could drive it. I could go full throttle. What are my intake temps at? 70 still? Damn, that's really bad actually. Woo! Feels slower. All right, later. Yeah, it's getting hot. Oh my god, dude. Oh my... Please. Please. Alright, well yeah, that's pretty much the POV, guys. I'm freaking dying. I'm literally dying from heat. Oh, there's a... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, no. Oh, no. Okay, I gotta turn it off. I gotta turn it off. Actually, it wasn't me, officer. My car is stock. Alright, yeah, I actually gotta turn this off. Alright, sorry I had to cut the video early, guys, but that cop was following me for like 2 miles and he finally let me off because I turned into my street. But yeah, this video was basically on how to like do your own POVs. Went to Ace Hardware, bought this bolt that replaced the stock bolt in the GoPro. 50 cents, right? 50 cents, this clip, $10 off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And then you have to have yourself a GoPro. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what GoPro you have, as long as it has like the super view, like the view where it's like super wide. A lot of people say, you know, just put on your head, but like the cam on the head, but like that one, I don't like that one because it looks like you're like 7 feet tall and it's like not a true POV. This one sits right below your eyes, so it's like a true like POV. But yeah, that's if you guys want to do it yourself, you know. Doesn't cost that much to show, you know, you can have your own footage, you know, just like me. So anyways, if you guys like the video, please like it and subscribe if you haven't subscribed anymore for more POV drives and stuff. But this is more of like a how-to with some footage in it too. But yeah, thanks. Elvis, smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money go around, I'm not selfish. And the lady